Look at this one, very strong.
Good. The hatch rate is exceeding projections. Batch 47 is complete. All parameters look good.
Excellent work. Let's keep the pace up.
The humidity levels look stable at 60%.
Good, the cooling pads are working perfectly.
This one here by the water line.
Got it. Looks slightly lethargic.
I've logged the coordinates.
We need 3 more samples from this row.
Confirmed. They look good.
The load is secure and the ventilation is optimal. We are ready for transport.
Okay, bring it back another 2 feet. Looks clear. We have the paperwork ready for lot 4.
Everything looks good on the monitors.
Yes, the quality checks are all green. Move them to bay 3.
The internal temperature is holding steady at 2 degrees. Acknowledged. The flow rate looks optimized for the current load.
Looks good. All accounted for. Go ahead and seal it up.
Our refrigerated trucks travel on modern highways, monitored by GPS. The cooling system keeps the chicken fresh, ensuring efficient and safe delivery.
Everything looks amazing, especially the grilled chicken.
Let's dig in.
Cheers.
Experience the finest quality, naturally fresh chicken, presented with garden-fresh herbs and spices.
Experience the difference of truly premium chicken, perfectly prepared for your next meal.